let's talk about the stomach. For each of these organs, I'm going to break it down into at least two sections, one with the gross anatomy and one with the histology or microscopic anatomy, just so you know. So let's take on the stomach. First, another awkward Yeti cartoon because I love them so much. Here's stomach saying, boy, oh boy, what a perfectly satisfying meal. And then tongue comes along and says, everyone's eating dessert. That doesn't mean we have to. Oh, it's not up to you. Fortunately, your stomach can expand a lot so that when your tongue goes overboard, stomach will be okay, although maybe a little upset. All right, so the parts of the stomach, the entryway to the stomach is called the cardia. It's this area right here, cardia or cardiac area, and that's just because it's next to the heart. The heart is right here, right above the diaphragm. And of course, this is the cardiac orifice just below the inferior esophageal sphincter. The rounded portion is called the fundus. We had a fundus on the uterus as well. That's kind of a rounded end of an organ. Food can actually sit in the fundus waiting to be digested while other food is being digested down in the main part of the stomach, which is called the body. So this is kind of your dessert stomach. It's a little extra space, but it's also where your food can be, some food can sort of sit there while other food is being churned down here. And then finally, the stomach sort of makes this funnel shape. This is called the pylorus, and it ends at the pyloric sphincter, which is the connection between the stomach and the small intestine. This first part of the small intestine is called the duodenum. The whole inside of the stomach is covered with these gastric folds. There are more gastric folds higher up in the stomach, less down in the pylorus, as you can see here. So the body has lots of gastric folds. They increase the surface area for digestion. They also help enable the stomach to stretch when you eat dessert. So here's a zoom in on our digestive system board. Here's the esophagus coming down. This is the inferior esophageal sphincter. This area is the cardia, this is the fundus, this is the body filled with these gastric folds, or rugae is their other name. The pylorus here, the pyloric sphincter. And then on the outside, we can see the three muscle layers of the stomach, which I will get to in the next video.